Hello everyone, this is Toyota Sienna 2012. As you can see, looks like a major job, doesn't it? Well, in fact it is. But once you do one side, you'll be able to do the other side. So what happened? Let me just show you exactly what happened here. First, I had to remove the wipers, then remove this plastic cover, so I could get to struts. Strut was removed. There were 3 bolts here. This one here is still in place, as you can see. So all you gotta do is remove those 3 bolts. Do not touch the one in the middle. Okay. Let me just double check. This is a socket, 14 millimeters, 14 millimeters socket. I don't know if you can see this properly. Anyways, that's what I used. These are the 3 bolts that I removed. Okay, there we go. So this guy is out. And what you need is spring compressors. And you definitely need an impact gun. So this is the spring compressor right here. Okay. You need a set of spring compressors, 2 of them. Okay. And you also need an impact gun. There we go. This one just happened to be a Mastercraft air gun. Alright, impact gun. You can get the electric one as well, but I have a feeling this one's got a little bit more juice. So it will get the job way easier. And the reason why you need this gun is for a couple of things. You see, this one's here. Those guys, they are extremely difficult to remove. Okay, so you definitely need a gun for those big guys to release the bottom right there, bottom of the strut. Okay, I think they are 20. 1 second, they are 7/8, I think, of an inch. 7/8 of an inch socket. All right. There's really not too many things to remove. You see, I did remove this little guy here, and whatever this little guy is called, right? I'll show you how to install it after. And there is the hole up there. There we go. Okay, that's all you gotta remove. This, I'll show you again. You gotta unscrew this little guy, this little linkage here, and those big bolts at the bottom. Okay, and then you can just lower the whole thing. How I done it? I used the second jack. Remember, safety first. Jack number 1 to raise the vehicle. Get the support down there. All right. Always double up on the support of the vehicle. Do not trust this one little guy. If it goes down, the vehicle's gonna go down. All right. Especially that you're gonna be keeping this car the way it is, maybe for an hour or 2. Okay. Approximately it's an hour, 1 hour to do this job on one side, another hour for another side. Alrighty. So there we go. Here's the strut. One important thing is to do before you disassemble the strut. You see these little markings here? I'll show you again. See, they're little. Okay. You see this white little mark? White little mark. You see? You know what I used? I used the whiteout, paper whiteout. So get the ruler, So I just happen to use this, the level. Okay, I place this level like so, and I marked with the white out all those lines, so everything's gonna get lined up when I assemble everything. Alrighty, so that's how it is done.